There is a place on Earth where sunlight has never touched, where pressure can crush steel and silence feels alive. A place so vast and dark that even today we've explored less of it than the surface of the moon. As we descend into this black ocean, past where whales dive, past where sound begins to fade, something watches, not with curiosity, but with eyes evolved for a world that was never meant to be seen. And whatever it is, nothing about it is normal. At nearly 1,000 meters below the surface, the ocean becomes hostile to life as we know it. The pressure here is immense, hundreds of times greater than at sea level. Most creatures would collapse instantly. Yet this is where the giant squid lives. Its body isn't built like land animals or even shallow water fish. It's soft, flexible, almost fragile looking. But that softness is survival. Without rigid bones, the squid's body doesn't resist pressure, it accepts it. Like a living pressure suit, it bends instead of breaks. Scientists still don't know exactly how its internal chemistry remains stable under such force. What we do know is this: the giant squid isn't fighting the deep, it has become part of it. And that raises a larger question. What other rules of life change down here? Now the light is gone completely. This is a place where vision should be useless. Yet the giant squid has eyes larger than a basketball, the largest eyes ever evolved. Why would a creature need eyes so massive in total darkness? Because darkness here is not empty. Faint glows ripple through the black, bioluminescent flashes from jellyfish, shrimp, and unseen hunters. The squid's eyes are tuned not for color or detail, but for movement, a disturbance, a shadow, the hint of something enormous passing by. Some scientists believe these eyes evolved to detect the faint glow stirred up by the squid's greatest enemy, the sperm whale. But here's the mystery. We've never actually seen this interaction clearly in the wild. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. If the eyes are this advanced, what kind of threat shaped them? Drift closer, and the shape becomes clearer. 10 limbs unfurl from the darkness, 8 arms and 2 longer feeding tentacles, each lined with suckers and each sucker rimmed with sharp, rotating teeth. This isn't grasping, it's locking. In the deep sea, there is no room for hesitation. Food is rare, encounters are brief. When the giant squid strikes, it must succeed instantly. Yet scientists still don't know how fast it moves. We've never filmed a full hunting sequence in its natural environment. Which leaves us wondering, is the giant squid an ambush predator or something far more aggressive? Now we move deeper, not through water, but through biology. The giant squid's nervous system is unlike almost anything else on Earth. Some of its neurons are so large they can be seen with the naked eye. Signals travel fast, reflexes are immediate. This design inspired early breakthroughs in human neuroscience. But even now, we don't fully understand how the squid coordinates its massive body in total darkness. Does it think the way we do? Does it plan or react? Scientists still don't know how much awareness exists behind those enormous eyes. And that uncertainty is unsettling, because intelligence down here may not look like intelligence at all. Perhaps the strangest thing about the giant squid is how little we know about its life. We don't know exactly where it's born. We don't know how long it lives. We don't know how often it reproduces. Most of what we know comes from bodies washed ashore or half-digested remains found inside whales. An animal this large, this advanced, and it lives almost entirely outside human observation. What else could exist alongside it, unseen? As we ascend back toward the light, the giant squid fades into darkness once more. Unbothered, unexplained. It doesn't chase us, it doesn't denounce itself. It simply continues living in a world we barely understand. A reminder that Earth is not fully mapped, not fully known, and not fully ours. If something this alien can exist right here, beneath our oceans, then the question isn't whether mysteries remain. The question is how many are still waiting, just beyond the edge of the light.